Hello everyone, welcome back to another series, Crocheting Little Cute Things. For this week, I want to share with you how to make this beautiful sunflower bookmark. Really simple, and I'm using a 3.5mm hook for this project. And you just need these colors, the golden yellow or the yellow yarn, green yarn, and a dark brown yarn. So to start, I'm going to do a magic circle. Then I'm gonna do a chain one. The chain one does not count as a stitch. That's not a stitch. So into the magic circle, I'm going to work 6 single crochets. So I've done the first one, this is the second one, and the third one. So 6 single crochets, and I'm going to meet you at the end. I'm gonna close up that ring or the magic circle. I'm gonna close it up and do a slip stitch into the first single crochet, not into the chain one, not into the chain one, into the first single crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch. So I have a slip stitch there. Pull the magic ring tight, chain one, which does not count as a stitch. Into the next stitch, I'm going to work 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So that is increase a single crochet increase into every stitch, 2 single crochet into every stitch. I'll meet you at the end. And now I am done. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. You should have 12 single crochet stitches. I'm going to cut off the yarn and fasten off. I'm going to insert my yarn into the hook, into the first stitch and do a single crochet with the new color, and then into every stitch I'm going to work 1 single crochet, and at the end I should have a total of 12 single crochets. So 1 single crochet into every stitch. I'm going to meet you at the end. So now I'm at the end. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. For the next round, for the second round, for the petal, I'm going to start with a chain 3, then I'm going to do a incomplete double crochet, that is a yarn over, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull through 2 and leave 3. I pull through the 3, chain 3, I go back into the same stitch and I do a slip stitch. I'm going to show you that one more time. That's the first petal, so I'm going to chain 3, go into the same stitch, into the next stitch, and do a double crochet without completing it, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all the 3, chain 3, back into the same stitch and do a slip stitch, chain 3, incomplete double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through 2, I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through all the 3, I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through all the 3, chain 3, into the same stitch, a slip stitch. We should have a total of 6 petals. That means we work into 2 stitches. We have 12, we work into 2 stitches until we get to the end. Now we have the end. I'm going to slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Moving on to the leaf or to the heart shape, I'm going to do the magic circle. I'm going to do a magic circle, chain 1 to secure and do a single crochet, 6 double crochets. I'm going to work 6 double crochets. So I have 6 double crochets. I'm gonna chain two. Now into the first chain, I will go back into the first chain and do a slip stitch. Now I'm going to continue with 6 double crochets, 6 double, that's the second one, the third double crochet, number 4, number 5, and number 6. 6 double crochets there, and now a single crochet. I'm going to close up that magic circle. I'm going to close it up, but not entirely. I won't close it up entirely. I'm going to do a slip stitch in between that circle, and I'm going to close up the ring properly. Then I'm going to do a chain of 30 to 35. I chain 30, and now I have chain 30. I'm going to secure with my I'm going to secure it to my sunflower. I'm going to secure with a slip stitch. I'm going to do a slip stitch to secure this. Then going to the next a stitch there. I'm going to do a slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off, and I've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this bookmark. Do not forget to share, subscribe to my channel, give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you.